Welcome to Techatop, the best purple leaf gazebos in 2026? Featuring stylish designs, strong construction, and all-season comfort. Whether for relaxing, entertaining, or adding value to your outdoor space, these gazebos stand out. Watch till the end to discover your perfect choice. Do not forget to check the links in the description. Number 5. The Purple Leaf 12 by 14 Gazebo is a stylish and functional addition to any outdoor space, offering a great mix of durability and comfort at a reasonable price. Its powder-coated aluminum frame is both majboot and lightweight, ensuring long-lasting performance while resisting rust and weather damage. This makes it ideal for year-round outdoor use in patios, decks, or backyard settings. A key highlight is the galvanized steel double roof, designed with a vented top that improves airflow and reduces heat buildup underneath. This feature helps maintain a cooler environment, especially during hot summer days. The steel roof also provides reliable protection from harsh sunlight and light rain, enhancing overall usability. The included side curtains and netting increase versatility. The polyester curtains offer privacy and shade when needed, while the mesh netting keeps insects away without blocking fresh air. The zippered design allows smooth access from all sides, making it convenient for everyday use or gatherings. Additionally, the built-in ceiling hooks are a thoughtful touch, giving you the option to hang lights or decorations for a more inviting atmosphere. The simple gray finish blends easily with different outdoor designs, adding a clean and modern look. Overall, this gazebo stands out for its sturdy build, practical features, and elegant appearance, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor living space. Number 4. The Purple Leaf 12 by 20 Permanent Hardtop Gazebo is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a spacious and durable outdoor shelter. Its generous size makes it perfect for hosting family gatherings, outdoor dining, or creating a comfortable lounge area in your patio, lawn, or garden. The design is simple yet elegant, blending easily with different outdoor styles while providing reliable protection throughout the year. This gazebo features a galvanized steel double roof that is both fade-resistant and rust-resistant. It effectively blocks strong sunlight and harmful ultraviolet rays, while also being strong enough to handle heavy snow. The double-vented top improves airflow, helping reduce heat buildup and keeping the interior area more comfortable during warm weather. A standout feature is the smart drainage system. The sloped roof allows rainwater to run off quickly, while built-in gutters guide water away from the frame and poles. This design helps prevent water accumulation and protects the structure from long-term damage. The powder-coated aluminum frame adds strength and stability without making the gazebo overly heavy. With pre-drilled base holes, installation is straightforward, and when anchored properly, it can withstand strong winds. It can also be securely attached to a wooden deck for added flexibility. The included curtains and netting enhance usability by offering privacy, shade, and protection from insects while still allowing fresh air to circulate. Overall, this gazebo combines durability, functionality, and style, making it a solid investment for outdoor living. Number 3. The Purple Leaf 20 feet by 14 feet aluminum patio gazebo is a premium outdoor structure designed to deliver both space and long-lasting performance. Its wide coverage makes it an excellent choice for large patios, garden setups, or backyard entertaining areas. Whether you are hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening outdoors, this gazebo creates a comfortable and protected environment in any season. Built with a galvanized steel hardtop roof, it provides strong resistance against sun exposure, rain, and other outdoor elements. The powder-coated aluminum frame adds durability while remaining lightweight, and the pre-drilled base allows for secure and stable installation. This combination ensures the gazebo stands firm even in windy conditions. The double-top vented roof improves airflow and helps reduce heat buildup, making the space underneath more pleasant during warm days. It also enhances wind resistance, adding to the overall stability of the structure. The integrated drainage system features a sloped roof and built-in gutters that efficiently guide rainwater away, preventing pooling and protecting the gazebo over time. Included curtains and netting increase comfort and usability. The curtains offer privacy and shade when needed, while the mesh netting keeps insects out while maintaining airflow and visibility. Both can be easily removed or adjusted depending on your preference. With a solid warranty covering the roof, frame, and fabric components, this gazebo stands out as a dependable and stylish addition to any outdoor space, offering excellent value for long-term use. Number 2. The Purple Leaf 12 foot by 14 feet Patio Hardtop Gazebo offers a unique blend of a traditional gazebo and a modern sunroom, making it an excellent addition to any backyard. Designed for year-round enjoyment, it creates a protected and comfortable outdoor space where you can relax, entertain, or spend quality time with family. Its powder-coated aluminum frame delivers strong structural support while resisting rust and wear over time. The galvanized steel double-tier roof adds durability and protection, shielding you from intense sunlight, rain, and even heavy snow. The ventilated roof design improves airflow, helping to keep the interior cool and comfortable during warm weather, while also enhancing stability in windy conditions. A key highlight is the solid PC screen wall system. Unlike standard fabric curtains, these panels provide better resistance to wind and rain, while still allowing natural light to pass through. They also help maintain privacy without making the space feel closed off. The large windows improve ventilation and offer clear views of your surroundings. The front and back sliding doors make access simple and convenient. They allow you to easily move in and out while giving you the option to fully enclose the space when needed. This feature adds flexibility, especially during changing weather conditions. Overall, this gazebo stands out for its sturdy build, innovative design, and enhanced protection features. It serves as a stylish and functional outdoor retreat that adds value and comfort to your home. Number 1. The Purple Leaf 12-foot by 14 feet Sunroom Hardtop Gazebo Solarium is a premium outdoor structure designed to bring comfort and functionality to your backyard. With its enclosed design and spacious layout, it offers a perfect setting for relaxing, hosting gatherings, or creating a private retreat that can be enjoyed in all seasons. Built with a durable aluminum frame, this gazebo provides strong support while resisting rust and wear over time. The galvanized steel double-tier roof adds both style and protection, shielding you from intense sunlight, rain, and even heavy snow. Its ventilated design allows air to circulate freely, helping to keep the interior cool and comfortable. A standout feature is the solid PC screen wall system, which offers better protection compared to traditional fabric curtains. These panels help block wind and rain while still allowing natural light to enter, creating a bright and inviting space. They also provide privacy and keepsakes out, making the gazebo more practical for everyday use. Large windows further improve airflow and offer clear outdoor views. The double sliding doors on the front and back ensure easy access and allow you to fully enclose the space when needed. This adds flexibility and convenience, especially during changing weather conditions. Thanks to its multifunctional design, this gazebo can be used as a lounge, studio, or even a sheltered area for a hot tub or spa. Overall, it is a durable, stylish, and versatile addition that enhances any outdoor living space. That wraps up our look at the best purple leaf gazebos in 2026. We hope you found the perfect option to upgrade your outdoor space with comfort and style. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.